Hey friends, this is Atif here and welcome to the new update on Luna coin. Luna has been rejected by this resistance of $100, and even it has broken down a very strong and long-term bullish structure for Luna. And right now it is moving around $28, and in today's video we will take a look at this move, and we will also discuss the different major support and resistance levels, and also the support and resistance level on the short term as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my recent trade setups of Luna that I shared with my members at the Patreon. The last trade setup on Luna was on 17th of March. That was a harmonic bullish reversal guardlay move, and I told my members that we can expect up to 26.5% pump from here, and our sell targets were, by the way, were from 0.002349 and goes to 0.002555 BTC. And this chart was, by the way, I shared with the Bitcoin pair, not with the US dollar pair. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, and even rallied beyond the sell targets, and again moved down. And now we are very down from here. And now let's take a look at the next chart, and that was very important. That was a very big breakout from this rising wedge pattern on the weekly time frame that I shared in the month of December 2021. And our final target was $98.30, and this was the long-term support that I was talking about, that Luna has recently broken down. Now after playing this chart, we can see that the price line moved up very well, and even rallied up to here to $119, and now it is moving down. Now let's take a look at the live weekly time frame chart. Then here we can see that Luna has broken down this support, very long-term support. It was found here on 23rd of August, and whenever Luna was touching this support, sometimes we were having spikes beyond below this support, but it was very soon it was getting recovered, and we were having very nice rallies. But since it was starting getting rejected by this $100, it was not able to continue its long-term rally. You can see that we have 2 rejections here on the weekly time frame, then we had another rejection here, and 2 more rejections here, and 2 more rejections here, and finally price line broke down this very long-term support. And here we had another support. The price level supported $50, but the price line has also broken down. And we can see, if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that within 3 days, when we broke down the support here, if I place this measurement tool from this high to this low, the current low, then you can see that we are more than 56% down now within 3 days. So it is quite a big drop. And now if we take a look at the next major support that is coming here at $19.50, and you can see on the weekly time frame it has been breaking as a very strong resistance from 15 March 2021 to here at the mid of May 2021. And after several rejections on the weekly time frame, finally we broke out, and now we are going to move test that support once again. There will be also another resistance here, and it has been breaking as a support here as well, and was working as a resistance here back in March 2021. And right now you can see that price line has just touched this support of $23 approximately, but the major support will be still this one that is at $19.50. Now let's move to the very small time frame after this drop on the 15-minute chart, and here we can see that on the 15-minute chart, on the immediate short term, very short term, we have found 3 support and resistance levels where the price line is moving right now. It dropped here at $28 support, and here we also have a resistance that was breaking as resistance here, and recently we have another rejection by this resistance of $28, and the next resistance will be here at $37. Now if I connect all these candlesticks, like from this candlestick, this support basically of $28, you can see that we have several touch points here. Here we have just a fake out to the downside, and if I connect these candlesticks as well, then here we have the formation of a descending triangle. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this descending triangle, then our target after the breakout, for example, if it will break out from here, that will be approximately $45. And if we switch here on the weekly time frame, then we can see that after $45 we will have a very strong resistance here at $50. So next few hours, even few minutes, can be very important because we are at the very end of this descending triangle. By the way, to the downside, the target can be here, down here at $19.48. That is exactly here where we have this very strong and major support. And if the price line breaks down, then I think that can be a very nice buy the dip opportunity for Luna, because back here in the month of April 2021, it has been breaking as a very strong resistance, and this time it can work as a very strong support. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.